Remember good no man? Yo, 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 love up, peace up, word up. You don't see it, I intend from intensity representing for Can't Stop Love. The songs that I will always love and more. And the more represent, you don't know where you can see. You hear that? But always positiveness. So welcome to the city. Take a drive and come visit the city. Walk and come visit the city. Come lock in at the city. Subscribe to the city, like and share. Yeah! I mean I say a Notnice production, you know what I say, the big bad producer. You know what I say, you don't know them and the producer, some great tracks around here. Yeah. And that one you see it, a Elephant Man, you know, with a song called Remember Good No Man. You see what I say, a Notnice with a project, big rhythm called Cool Runnings, Cool Reminder. Sorry, you know what I say, Cool Reminder, you know me not eat that. Cool Reminder. And some big bad tracks upon it, but today we have feature Elephant Man. You know me I say go check it out. You know me I say the video out already. You know me I say real authentic. You know me I say dancehall vibes. You know me I say no doubt about it. Go and go listen it for yourself. Elephant Man, the energy god, no miss. You know me I say, and the rhythm feature all us artists. You know me I say busy signal upon it, tactic upon it. You know me I say yeah man chronic law. You know me I say, Nardi and Mother Side. You know me I say, me I tell you say, yo, a whole heap of people upon it, man. And there's some real songs upon it. Beanie man upon it. And me I tell you say, the songs them a go hard. You see what me I say? So a couple more songs there where you can go listen see them. You know me I say, yeah, some of them are just audio. You know me I say, but some of them are video too. You know me I say, like the one here, the Elephant Man video. Ja Vinci upon it too. You don't know the thing good. Nardi and Mother Side too. Video shoot already same way, tactic video did the for it same way. You see me I say, but go check it out for yourself, man, because you know intensity and line. Yeah, as I said, driving in the city, walking in the city, riding in the city, subscribe to the city, like the city, share the city, up.